Now, new laws tackle the realm of artificial intelligence. They're brought to the table in a new case involving a former Douglas County Sheriff deputy who faces allegations of using AI to generate pornography.
KETV News Watch 7's Madison Perales is getting the facts on the new legislation. Madison joins us in the studio.
Yeah, lawmakers and legal experts tell me the world around AI is rapidly changing, but the newly implemented legislation created a broader legal landscape to hold people accountable for AI-generated porn. One bill tackles criminal liability and the other covers the civil side of things.
And it was brought to my attention that there were situations occurring that fell under this type of prohibited material.
State Senator Carolyn Bozin talks to me about two bills that passed with overwhelming support, which hold people accountable for generating AI porn.
I want this to be a state where families feel welcome, they feel safe, they feel protected.
UNL law professor Lori Hetcher says the Child Sexual Abuse Material Prevention Act was originally made to tackle child porn based on a real minor.
Now, however, if the images are solely computer generated, whether or not the child depicted by the computer generated image is an actual person, you can still be prosecuted under this law.
Hetcher says this is used in criminal law and adds the other bill, the Uniform Civil Remedies for Unauthorized Disclosure of Intimate Images Act, covers computer-made porn on the civil side.
And this covers people of all ages. If there is some sort of intimate or sexually explicit image, even if it's computer generated and not of an actual person or act, you could still initiate the civil cause of action.
Hetcher clarifies the AI child porn bill uses criminal law, which charges people with a crime, and the other one uses civil law.
And what you're asking for is, I was harmed. I need to be paid some sort of money for this.
Bozin says law enforcement were the ones who initially brought this issue to her. When she learned that former Douglas County Sheriff Deputy Nolan Dudick was accused of using AI to make nude photos of his colleagues and minors, she was shocked.
I'm glad it ultimately came to light, and it's being investigated, I presume, and hopefully will be prosecuted to the full extent of the law.
Hetcher tells me Nebraska's legal setup is similar to what other states are doing. Both of them say with technology constantly changing, it makes it difficult to keep up. But Bozin adds lawmakers are doing their best to stay on top of it and keep vulnerable Nebraskans safe. Back to you.